Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need an Aternos account and a running server instance. Once done, decide whether you want a mod or a plugin. Mods use Fabric or Forge. Plugins need Spigot or Paper, because that choice determines files and installation steps. Make sure the Minecraft version on Aternos matches the night vision add-on you plan to use. Mismatches cause crashes. If needed, change the server type in the Aternos software tab now. Then restart the server before uploading anything. Now you install the actual night vision add-on. On Aternos, go to Software and select Fabric or Forge for mods or Paper/Spigot for plugins. Apply and restart so the system creates folders. Upload the night vision. Jar into mods, Fabric/Forge, or plugins, Paper/Spigot. Once uploaded, restart the server again and monitor the console for dependency errors, version mismatches, or missing libraries. Fix those by uploading required jars or switching versions. When finish by configuring the mod/plugin so night vision works the way you want. You can edit config files in Aternos Files section or use in-game commands to toggle features and durations. Make sure permission nodes are assigned via LuckPerms or the plugin's config so players can use the effect. Test the feature in creative mode to avoid resource loss. If things go wrong, check the latest console lines for stack traces, verify version compatibility, and restore your backup before making major changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.